Good morning, children. Myself, Swati, English faculty from Talapadmati International School. So, children, today we are going to discuss a new topic. In this image, you can see, a seed is placed and a seed grows into a plant. And there are different stages in growing a plant. See here in this image you can see clearly, and I think you have observed. So there are parts to this plant. Down, thread like structures are called roots, and above the ground you have leaves. So stem, under the ground thread like structures are called roots, and above the ground you have stem and leaves. Slowly this plant grows into a big tree. So there are different parts of a tree. Children, I hope you have seen different types of trees around you, and you can also do an activity of growing seeds into plants. Sow some seeds in the soil. After a few days you see the growth of those seeds. You'll enjoy it. So a small seed, it's very wonder to us. A small seed grows into a big tree, isn't it? So now we are going to discuss our tree lesson. A little bird sees ripe fruit on our tree and eats a tasty berry. The bird flies tall and a berry seed falls. So what happened one day? A little bird sees a ripe fruit and on a tree, and bird went to the tree and it ate that fruit. What is that fruit? Berry fruit. And after eating the fruit, what will be inside? There will be seed, and that seed falls down. That berry seed falls down. Down means where it will fall? On the ground. What do you see on the ground? You see mud or soil on the ground. Sand, soil. So you can see this on the ground. The rain have come. Hurry, let's run. Clouds, rain and sun. Our plant is born a little one. So what happened? That berry seed has fallen down. Few days. What happened? It has grown into a plant, and now a tree with branches. Yes, so many branches. There are so many branches to the tree, and there are so many birds on the tree. There is a nest, and there are so many insects also, like spiders and caterpillars. So there are so many leaves, there are so many fruits to that tree. So you can see that the tree has fruits, some big, some small. Let us pluck them, but do not fall. So the tree will be having, some fruits will be bigger, some fruits will be smaller, and there are so many birds and animals near the tree. See, you can see monkey, squirrel, and a nest on the tree. There are so many fruits on the tree, and children are swinging. See, they have tied a swing to the branch of that tree, and they are enjoying, they are swinging, and they are enjoying the nature. They are enjoying the nature. It's very, very beautiful. So, strong branches with pretty swings. Our beautiful tree has so many things. So children, trees are very useful to us. We should grow more and more trees, and we should not cut down the trees. You will enjoy a lot. Thank you, Swati, English faculty.